Do you want to require a password in order for the Excel file to even open? Meaning you can't see what's inside of the Excel file without a password, and you don't know how to do it, then this video is for you. Let's say you have this Excel file with some data in it, and you want to save this, but you don't want anyone to be able to open it without a password. What you do is that you go to File, you press Save a Copy, like how you regular would have saved it. And then when you press here, you will choose your location, but even further, you have this Tools section down here in the bottom right. What you need to do is to press on it and press on General Options. And here you write the password that the user need to write in order for the Excel file to open. You also have the option to make it possible to open in read only, but if they want to make any changes, they need the password to be able to do changes in it. Let's write Berry here in the password and save it. Write it again. Let's write it data2, save it. And now when we try to open up the Excel file, you see here that you need the password to open the file to see what's inside of it. And that is how you require a password in order for a user to open the Excel file. And of course, it works similar with all other Office softwares, for example, Word or PowerPoint.